Good morning. Start your week with a win at WebCME.
Start your week with a win.
The Wound Information Network's Sunny Side Up topic is having insurance is a lot like having fun. Recently, Win provided you with some thoughts on your financial future. One extremely important element of the forecast for your financial future is how well you're prepared, how well you're insured. Years ago, I remember hearing this quote, "You don't buy life insurance because you are going to die, but because those you love are going to live." This is so true. Most of us are very busy with our clinical practices and caring for our patients. This can be unfortunate if we don't take some time to focus on ourselves and our families and think about insurance. Win is pleased to introduce an insurance expert who will provide us with some important suggestions on insurance. Mr. Steven Spector is a partner in charge of insurance services with Sikich and specializes in the design and implementation of insurance programs for executives, healthcare professionals, and business owners. Steve, welcome to Win.
Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Dr. Nisgoda. Thank you.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
I'd love one. Thank you.
I'll go get one.
I'd like to touch on 3 various insurance products that young people will purchase to protect their families. The first is life insurance. And we recommend normally that people purchase life insurance when they are young and healthy. This preserves lower pricing and also very good health. Second, on a very high level basis, most people will buy life insurance for maintenance for their loved ones so they can make sure that they live in the lifestyles they are accustomed to. Often they also have enough principal to make sure that the debt is reduced, for example, mortgages and business debts and so forth. And finally, setting aside some money for college funding. This is very important so their children will have a chance and an opportunity to attend a very good higher education university. And thirdly, review your policies annually. We find that so many people do not have the service on an annual basis, and at Sikich, we provide a no obligation, free of charge, independent, unbiased review of people's insurance programs, and we find that's very well received. Secondly, disability insurance. And as young professionals, healthcare professionals, or any type of professional, we encourage people to meet with a professional and secure disability coverage so they can protect their future earning power. Let's take, for example, a 30-year-old professional earning, say, $200,000 a year. Well, if that person works for 30 years, he or she will make about $6 million. And if a disability due to accident or sickness occurs, disability insurance steps in to fill the gaps. And over the last 34 years I've been in the insurance business, we've seen a lot of changes in contract language. So please make sure that you know the different contractual languages, and protecting your own occupations to age 65 is extremely important, especially for people that have specialties. And thirdly is long-term care insurance. And long-term care insurance provides tax-free cash to help pay for expenses should care be needed in an assisted living facility, nursing home, or care in your own home. And these are very important products that people begin thinking about in their late 40s and early 50s when they've accumulated assets. Let me lastly comment on the team concept we have at Sikich. Our CPAs are very involved and are normally the quarterbacks for the finances for their clients. And we feel very strongly about including all of the team members as far as financial planners, estate planning lawyers, and of course, the insurance specialists.
See, that was excellent. Here's your coffee,
Thank
sir.
you.
We certainly appreciate that excellent advice. Frank McKinney, an American cartoonist, humorist, and journalist, once said, "Fun is like life insurance. The older you get, the more it costs."
Exactly.
Don't wait until you can't afford to take care of yourself and your family. Talk to an insurance expert like Steve as soon as possible. Steve, can we sit down over some eggs and sausage and maybe discuss my policies?
Well, maybe not sausage, but certainly eggs.
Fabulous.
Maybe some melon.
Good luck and have a great week.